Once, a philosophy professor began his class by placing an empty glass jar on the table. He then filled the jar with golf balls until no more could fit inside. He looked at the students and asked, "Is the jar full now?" Everyone replied, "Yes." Then he took a box of small pebbles and poured them into the jar. The pebbles rolled into the spaces between the golf balls. He smiled and asked again, "Is it full now?" The students laughed and said, "Yes." Next, he picked up a box of sand and poured it into the jar. The sand filled all the remaining spaces. He asked once more, "Now, is it full?" This time the students confidently said, "Yes, it's completely full now." Finally, the professor took 2 cups of coffee and poured them into the jar. The coffee seeped into the tiny spaces between the grains of sand. Everyone laughed again. The professor smiled and said, "This jar is like your life." The golf balls are the most important things: your family, your health, your friends, and your passions. Even if everything else was lost, your life would still be full. The pebbles are the other things that matter: your job, your house, your car. The sand is everything else, the small stuff. If you put the sand into the jar first, there's no room for the pebbles or the golf balls. The same goes for life. If you spend all your time and energy on the small stuff, you'll never have room for the things that truly matter. So take care of the golf balls first, the things that really matter. Set your priorities. The rest is just sand. One student raised his hand and asked, "Sir, what about the coffee?" The professor smiled and replied, "I'm glad you asked. It just shows that no matter how full your life may seem, there's always room for a couple of cups of coffee with a friend." That day, the students didn't just learn a lesson, they truly felt it. Want more fun stories with deep meaning? Hit that subscribe button now.